Go together.
Go together?
Yeah.
Well, then he'll block me out.
Okay, then go individually. But go. I'm filming.
Go get him, Sparky.
That's some freaky stuff.
Did you hit the bottom?
What?
You hit the bottom?
Not at all.
Were you like this?
No, I was straight up and down. You're good. You're good.
Okay, let her rip.
You still recording?
Yep.
This is to all my fans out there. I love you. One love. Ah!
Wasn't that freaky?
That's so far.
Wasn't that scary? Oh, God. This is John Boy. Maximilian, a.k.a. What's your name again? Chuck Norris?
Chuck Norris.
Chuck Norris. Signing out.